As Europe faces the prospect of a second wave of infection, some nations still haven't reached the end of the first. New infections are still surging in two of the world's worst affected countries, the United States and Brazil. Numbers are rising in more than a dozen US states, while Florida, Texas and Arizona are reporting record rates of hospitalisations. And countries that were initially successful in containing the virus are now seeing new outbreaks emerge. Hermione G reports.
The Australian government is encouraging everyone in the state of Victoria with cold and flu symptoms to be tested for COVID-19, especially those living in one of now 6 identified coronavirus hotspots. The state has recorded double-digit cases for the 7th straight day running. The state's premier says not all the sources for the rise in infections are yet known.
This is still with us. This is not over. And I know and understand that so many Victorians, perhaps all Victorians, want this to be over. But we simply can't pretend that the virus is gone.
Australia is hailed as a global success story in suppressing the spread of COVID-19, but is now considering more state border closures to stop the current spike. In the US, as COVID cases surge in states which have eased lockdowns, the government's top public health leader shot down President Trump's claims that the coronavirus pandemic is under control. Before a House committee, Dr. Anthony Fauci also denied that he'd been told to reduce testing.
Right now, the next couple of weeks are going to be critical in our ability to address those surgings that we're seeing in Florida, in Texas, in Arizona, and in other states. They're not the only ones that are having a difficulty. But to my knowledge, none of us have ever been told to slow down on testing. That just is a fact. In fact, we will be doing more testing.
Brazil's leader has also been countermanded, this time by a judge. President Bolsonaro has been ordered to wear a face mask when circulating in the capital, Brasilia. The president has sparked outrage by flouting measures designed to slow the coronavirus pandemic that has killed more than 50,000 Brazilians. Hermione G, Euro.